Alright, here it is. I am trying to thinner this a little bit using paper towel. I'm trying my best to thinner it because it looks like it's very thick. Look, it's thick.
Still, this is just manually. This one is just like put it in there and then get it out like that.
And this style of making the lumpia wrapper is kind of messy, and it's a lot of stick in my hand, which I don't like doing sticky. So I think I'm gonna like the second one than this one. So no matter how I make it fast or thin it, the result is thicker than my second one. So this is my result. As you can see, it's a lot thicker, but I'm still I like this a lot better. It's less messy and it's really thin and it looks very strong. So guys, I think this is my winner. Look at that. I like this a lot better. So the second one is the winner. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe for more videos and share this and like and comments below. And see you next time. You have a wonderful day. You take care. Bye.